is a quick tutorial on broadcast. So this is how to set up a broadcast. What I want you to do is I want you to open up Chrome. Now, you're going to need to log in. Now, if you do have to log in on BC Streaming, you probably don't know the password. So if this shows up, that's awesome. If not, you're going to need to log in with your own personal ID. And hopefully you have given that to me, because if you gave it to me, then I will, I've given you permission to go into YouTube. So you can go into YouTube and you can create a live stream. Anyway, once you're there and you're logged in, you say create and go live. All right. Now, we're going to call this test 1, but if you are doing like Griffin's volleyball or RF Staples or BCHS versus RF Staples, give that the name of the stream, please. Okay, then you should click next, and then next again, and public. Good. Next. Done. Hooray. If it asks you if you want it to be like if it's for kids, say no. Say it's not for kids. All right, now here we are at a part that's really important. If things don't work, this is why. Okay, you should be getting the Blackmagic Web Presenter, and for sound, the Blackmagic Web Presenter. Okay, if you don't have those, then that means that things are not coming through the Web Presenter, or if you were on the Constellation, because this is the TV studio over here, the Constellation switcher, that runs a cable from the switcher computer over here. No, wait, it runs from the switcher itself over to the back of this guy. It's a USB-C to USB in the back. And then that should allow you to see the Blackmagic switcher right here. Okay, so also sound. If you don't see these guys, you can open up FaceTime. You open up FaceTime down here. And actually, let me just bring up FaceTime right here, like that. I said Facey. FaceTime. Awesome. And FaceTime up here on the top allows you to pick the camera, and that basically reminds the computer that these guys exist. So you can also pick the microphone, see, it's the Web Presenter, and the camera is the Web Presenter. So that's it. It would be the Constellation switcher for the other guy. So you can just pick them again, and it reminds the computer here. All right, we're gonna say go live. Now, if it just continues to spin, instead of saying you're live, then you need to quit it and do the FaceTime thing again and give it another try. All right, you know that you're getting sound because of these green dots. Now, I'm backwards, by the way. You probably can't notice that, but that's okay. I'm going to show you how we find out forwards. There, this is our link. We go here, you click on this guy. We go back up and we paste in our link. Turn. Okay, I'm gonna get some feedback now, I think. Okay, I'm gonna get some feedback. So, there. Okay, see how I just muted this? All right. And basically, so what that is doing now is that is showing me what is going on. You'll notice that the sound is not linked up because it has got a little bit of a lag, and that's all right. Okay, and that's basically how to do the broadcast. The last remaining thing is actually you want to go to our sports broadcasting page and link to today's broadcast. And where it says this link right here, okay, you want to edit this, and here you want to delete all of this and then paste in our new link and apply it. There it is. So now people that go to our Barhead Comp TV webpage, they'll be on this link. Okay, and you can tell your friends that they can get to our stuff at bit.ly/Barhead Composite TV. Great, that's how broadcasting works.